This is Julie with your unfinished business report for Monday, October 17. I'm going to start with Apple, AAPL. It had unfinished business from Thursday, actually. If you can look on the screen now, what you see is Friday is here in the middle. This is actually a long, and you can see that on Friday it blew out all the bands for the long. But today, interestingly enough, since none of these levels were violated, you can see that if you let Apple pull down to 116.80, it made its bands all the way up. From yesterday, you could draw another band here and make your money again in Apple. Let's move on to the New York Stock Exchange. You can see that Big Lots did actually trigger twice and take you somewhere in between your entry and target levels. Today, it opened, traded higher to that entry, and then fell right off that short entry, and it actually made its target. Western Alliance, WAL, is one that I had on for today as an unfinished business possibility. Yesterday, the short entry was down here, 37.03. It has not yet hit today. I am doing this report midday on Monday. It hasn't happened yet. I'll keep that on my list for tomorrow if it closes the day close to break even. Let's look at the stocks we had on our list for today and see what I will be looking at tomorrow. All right, let's start off with today's long list of stocks we had on our radar for today. LUV, Southwest Airlines. The short entry is down at 41.01. Didn't hit that for today. If the day closes out above that price or barely dipping below that price, I'll have it on a list for tomorrow of unfinished business. The way we played this today, because the name of the game here is always opportunity, is we had an alternate entry up here. Join us in our trading room and you can see how we do that live every day. Next stock with potential unfinished business for tomorrow is UNP. It's traveling right around our short line for today. If it doesn't hit our target for today, I'll have that on the list for tomorrow. Viva Systems is actually a question mark for me. You see how it's headed up now. This is the short line down here. Again, today we played it off a reversal from pivot and resistance in the room. However, if it can stay here, if you look at this, you sort of have a classic pattern of where we could be headed lower. And if it does close in the lower range of today's trading, then I will look at it for tomorrow. HCA, same thing, and we'll see if it closes lower by the end of the day today. Ditto for NSC. And also AXP. AXP had opportunity today off of resistance levels after it pulled up and headed down to these lows. Did not hit our target for today, so if it stays in this range, I'll keep it on deck for tomorrow. So that is our midday unfinished business report. I will tweet out the final list of stocks later today after the market closes, so join us on the Twitter feed. As always, join us in the room live every day. There's always opportunity for these and many more.